Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to stop Facebook notification in Gmail. So first of all, open Facebook apps. Before start, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Tap on the right corner. Click on setting icon. Scroll down. Tap onto notification. Scroll down. Go to the email option. Click on here and select the third option. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily stop Facebook notification in Gmail.